All right, so the KX65 has a flat tire in the rear. It picked it up while we were riding. Let's see if we can show you. There is actually a nail, a visible nail in the tire. These are the original tires that came with the bike. They're really beat up, pretty old looking, so we're gonna replace them with some new tires we got from Rocky Mountain ATV. Some Dunlop Geomax tires. I think the MX55, or 53 rather, which are the medium terrain or the intermediate terrain, compound, medium terrain, I believe. And so we're gonna replace the rear today, as well as the front. We've never done this before, but we have watched a couple of videos. We also are going to use some Tusk tools. We're not sponsored by Tusk or Rocky Mountain ATV in any way, but wouldn't mind being so. So if they want to sponsor us, we will truly take it. But yeah, this is an unbiased review. We also found this Kenda Tough Tube, which is a little bit thicker than the OEM tube, so it should be tougher as per the name. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just get right into this. All right, so we have the wheel off, and now we're just gonna let the remaining air out of the tire. I don't have a valve stem remover. Gonna remove the valve stem lock. As well as the wheel lock, the rim lock, I think is what it's called. All right. Open our tire irons, tire springs. Trying to break the bead. Spraying some soapy water. We broke the bead and got the rim, the lip of the tire off the rim, if that's what you want to call it. Now just to get the rim out, you can see that the rim is loose, and so I don't actually know how we're going to do this because it's so small, but let's see if I can. I really regret doing this ourselves. It's all right.
Tire.
It's gross. Okay, so now we have to get the inner tube and give it a little structure, and by inflating it a bit. I'm gonna get my compressor fired up. Just 1 second. Here's our new tire.
Hopefully it's easy to get on. I mean, it looks...
Supposedly it's a lot harder to get on than it is to get off. So good luck to us. Done? Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and lube up one side, the down side. So it goes on nice and smooth. We're also gonna line up the valve stem and just barely get it going. Side on. Now we just have to work the bead of this side over this last side of the wheel. So I'm gonna just lube it up. So we got overly excited after we got the last part of the bead on and we already pumped the tire up. We don't hear any leaks, so we think we're good. All right, so we got this all finished up. Looks great. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the rim lock nut. We're gonna go ahead and give this a good wash tomorrow when we get up. It's pretty late for us now and it's a school night, so we won't bother tonight. So we'll be back in the morning. All right, so we got the tire on here and now we're just gonna test it. Off camera, we did have a little bit of a struggle getting the bead to seat. But yeah, kind of the story of the day for us getting this tire on is just troubles. So yeah, Mason, go ahead, just give it a start and see how it feels.